Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let's continue our lesson in English, the 100 dresses part 2. So in our previous class we have read that Wanda's father had sent a letter to Miss Mason, and Miss Mason, she read the letter in front of the class and she said certain sentences, hoping that the students have not teased Wanda. So now let's go through this. I've written 6-7 points over here. Mary had a sick feeling after hearing what was mentioned in the letter that was written by Wanda's father, and after hearing Miss Mason, her teacher, Miss Mason. So Mary was feeling very, very sad and upset, and she had a very sick feeling in her heart, at the bottom of his heart, because she herself was very poor, and because the children and especially the Peggy used to tease her. So she put herself in Wanda's shoes. What does that mean? She put herself in Wanda's place, and she began to think, and she used to shiver. Oh, I'll be the next target if I say anything. So that's why she used to remain silent most of the time when Peggy used to tease Wanda. So she put herself in Wanda's shoes and thought, what she thought. Wasn't there anything she could do? They were in the class, actually they were having the class, and she could not concentrate in her studies, in her work. She thought, wasn't there anything to do that I can do? Maddie thought, wasn't there anything she could do? Maybe I could go and meet her and say, I'm very sorry, we are very sorry, we didn't mean to hurt you, we were just joking, don't get upset, please come to school, in this way. She wanted to say and meet. So wasn't there anything she could do? If only she could tell Wanda, if only she could go and meet Wanda and tell her that they were very sorry, they didn't mean to hurt her, they were just joking, please come to school, you have won the medal in for your drawings. She wanted to say, if she could tell Wanda she hadn't meant to hurt her feeling, we didn't mean to hurt you, so you should not take seriously, don't mind it, please come to school, you are such a good girl. She wanted to say sorry. She looked at Peggy in the class. She looked at Peggy because Maddie could not concentrate in her studies, and she looked at Peggy, but Peggy was very busy doing her work. She was busy, she means Peggy. Peggy was busy in her work in the class. Number 4, Maddie thought. Again, she was thinking all the time in the class because she could not study because she was upset. Maddie thought she had to find Wanda. I must go to the Boggin Heights where she lives, and I must meet her. She had to find Wanda. Maybe she had not yet moved away. Maybe she has not gone. Maybe she is there at home. So I must go and meet her and say sorry. At least it will lighten my heart. Otherwise, these things will overburden my heart, and I can't concentrate, I can't do anything. So I must go and meet Wanda and say sorry and tell her that she didn't mean to hurt her feeling. She decided, maybe Peggy would climb Boggin Heights. She thought maybe Peggy will also accompany me to go to Boggin Heights with her, and they would tell her, I will go definitely, but I don't know about Peggy, she might accompany me, but if she accompanies, then we'll go and tell her that she had won the medal and say sorry and this and that. She would tell her that she had won the contest and they thought she was smart. Maddie and Peggy, when they reach Wanda's house, they will tell her that she had won the medal for the drawing competition, in our drawing competition, and as well as not only that, they were very sorry. They didn't mean to hurt her, as well as she was very smart, and the 100 dresses were very beautifully that she had drawn. They wanted to tell her, especially not Peggy, Maddie wanted to tell her. When the class was over, the whole day passed on like that, thinking, especially by Maddie. The whole day Maddie thought and thought. When the class was over, the two girls hurried out. Two girls quickly come out of the school building, up the street. They walked quickly and they went towards the Bogin Heights. Maddie was glad. Maddie was happy. Why? Because Peggy proposed to go and meet Wanda. Maddie was glad that Peggy wanted to see if Wanda was there or not in the house. So, while Maddie was thinking to go and meet Wanda, and as the class got over, Peggy proposed Maddie that they would like to go. She wanted to go and see if Wanda was there at home or she moved away. Let's go and meet. And Maddie said, oh, I wanted to do the same thing. I wanted to tell you, but you have said, now let's go. So, they came out of the school building hurriedly and moved towards the street and up towards the Bogin Heights. Now let's see, when they reached Bogin Heights, what did they see? Whether they met Wanda or had she left already. So let us read and find out in our next class what happened when they reached Bogin Heights, or when they reached Wanda's house or home. What happened? So we'll continue in our next class. That's all for today. Stay safe and do your regular studies at home. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.